Hello everyone! In this video, I'm excited to take you on a walking tour of the Siomai Festival, held in the lively Barangay Tisa of Cebu City. This festival is a celebration of one of the local favorites, Siomai, a delicious dumpling that has captured the hearts and taste buds of many. Throughout our journey, you'll get to experience the festive spirit and vibrant energy that fills the streets during this special event. Whether you're a food lover, a culture enthusiast, or just curious about local traditions, this tour will offer you a glimpse into the heart of Cebu City's vibrant community.
Bilang bugod